Sojourn with the Lord.
What is the test of a tree or a false teacher? Jesus connects soundness with good fruit. Something is sound when it is free from defect and flaw. Good fruit is a result of sound living, living according to moral truths and upright character. The prophet Isaiah warned the people of Israel against the danger of falsehood. Woe to those who call evil good and good evil, who put darkness for light and light for darkness. Isaiah 5:20. Falsehood produces an easy religion which takes the cross out of Christianity, eliminates the sayings of Jesus, and pushes the judgment of God into the background and makes us think lightly of sin. How do we avoid falsehood in our personal lives? By being true to God, His Word, and His grace. And that makes the character of a Christian. Integrity and transparency are precious qualities to be found in any person, and they are not easy to achieve. Most of us wear masks of some kind. Most of us can identify with the title of John Powell's book, Why Am I Afraid to Tell You Who I Am? In fact, people can often identify more easily with a person whose faults are admitted. They feel that they are dealing with a real person and not a phony. This can apply very much to pastors and other religious leaders. A tree doesn't go bad overnight. Rather, decay begins from within and it takes time before it becomes evident. Outward appearances may be good, but loss of fruitfulness is observed. Or we lose direction when something small creeps in and begins to take us off. On the other hand, growth in goodness is evident. We have the potential for good, and the Lord desires we develop it. By our fruits, others will know us. A good tree is well mentored. It needs the right soil given at the right time, planted in the place for the weather it needs. It needs to be planted neither too near the other trees nor too far away. We grow if we are well tended in education, in family, in love. We grow, nourish ourselves with the food and drink that do not ruin the body. Then the fruit is seen and others can enjoy and benefit from our lives. Let's pray. Help us to be fruitful in everything we do.